Hi everyone, here we've got DOOGEE X100 and let me show you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, we have to open the keyboard. Here we've got it, and as you can see there is no icon settings. So in order to open the keyboard settings, simply tap on this add icon and hold it a little. And as you can see here, we've got the keyboard settings. On the very first position, we've got languages, so simply click on it. And as you can see, now we've got only English applied. In order to add a new one, click on Add a Keyboard. And here we've got all available languages, so there are a lot of them, as you can see. We've got a lot of options to choose from. Let me pick something, for example, maybe Arabic. Let's click on the very first option, and if you're ready, click on Done. Now, as you can see, we've got also Arabic on our list. Let's get back. And here we've got still English keyboard, but also here we've got the world icon. And after tapping on that, we can switch to our new keyboard. So as you can see, now I am typing Arabic, then tap on this world icon, and again I am typing English. Of course, you can leave only one language, for example Arabic or English. In order to do that, simply tap on this add icon and hold it a little in order to open the keyboard settings. Let's click on languages again, and here let's tap on this edit icon. Click on the one you want to remove and click on remove. As you can see, we've got only English left. Let's get back and check. And as you can see, we have no world icon. It means that we cannot switch through languages and we are typing only English. So that's all. This is how to change keyboard language in your DOOGEE X100. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.